pa na ne nisu beje esanse asemi a ye de abone dendenden se Ahmed Suale ono ene kunu yi ene ayade se abrantie baako ne ho akwako de adwam a ono ene omususu se oshutu Ahmed Suale abusuan nkyeremu bebre etodwa a jeso mu kyeremu a COP tatayohunu oba ye nkyede but baby o asha ase eduru no leak tape bi ene nyoma bi o se enche kra efa JB Dankwa adu ono nso ne wo ho suspect bi ni nyina enche ebeba abonten.
And you see, the interesting thing is, ye damn pari free one of my year yehunu baya. Just a day, Ahmed Suale. Yachi onipa baako suspect baako in the murder of Ahmed Suale. Enya wawa. Just a day. A day after. Let me show you Ahmed Suale. A day after damn pari asem ne baye no. Asem we abe ho no. Just a day after. Just a day after, Ahmed Suale, one suspect, yachino. Eba saying, not information no police service what that. And now say, yachi yedi yehunu IGP yehunu ba ye. And sa information ba yana. And now what happened? Was somebody sitting on the information? Was it already there? And ask yourself, then and yehunu ba ye. One day, yakochi suspect in Ahmed Suale wo. This is Ahmed Suale asem we ya. Atwetwere ye bo sam and no a plus kokan once me kwam kokan of who did matema. But I mean the issue is a journalist and we were looking for closure on this case. It cannot happen. So obia wu and a journalist for that matter. Not yen to me one suspect. We can't make headway in this issue. And to obia can once and penny I said the IGP invite ni panel. Nama ye who say whether you have information or not, information so let us know say information. But if I had any idea of information, there, my phones who say you are working. It's in Ahmed Suale case here very important. I mean, Busa question say it's in us information where once and a year I who knew bana and a year I who knew by ya no nya suspect in a channel. I know nya information says suspect tia or hati and quachinana. You see, and I make us say you knew by ya Ahmed Suale yachi suspect. Nature say you know it is very likely say. JB Dankwa boachi edu MP na yekuno no yebehu suspect bi ache no enya it's akwana sexy dondo. That is why case no call court no court no found him not guilty, jury no found him not guilty. Mama sa akokoya appeal biem said they want to retrial of the case. Nema koso internally within the police service, even within the security agency, nema koso nyani nyina na wo abonti a obehu. It is a one to bona assembly ye can say the pebi ebi person de politics. It's beyond politics. Police intelligence is beyond politics. But here Dampare Nankasa was misled by people. Or Nankasa was misled by people. Just say a whole unim say before Dampare Assembly, there was an issue about leak tape. Say encophobia plotted. Intelligence from inside the police service say one of the reasons why I'm not police for only jubilating is say. Here Adam Pariankasa ne orchestrate is no allegedly. And no dear. I haven't verified entirely. But maybe a sources within the service say sa tape na a leaky it was orchestrated by Yera Dampai. But me put there. Masem is a police body and send baby room. There are a lot of intelligence who are bontia you know. Just within the police service. Sa na ko military mo. There are a lot of intelligence floaty among the junior ranks, among the senior ranks, even there a floaty within the junior ranks, and yet the same intelligence, and the one within the senior ranks. And to Ghana, Bakwasam Kudita says you Ghana. Revolt, revolution, be a bit taking place. Could be a bit taking place. For instance, President Rollins, 79, 81, Ninano. Only junior officers. And there was intelligence among the junior officers now intelligence and American in terms of say information. Security for one kind of information be one man. Junior officers no kwane senior for him. And within the police service, here Adam Paiba where changes be woman. The entire police officers home. That's the truth of the matter. And no dear no correct. Me in the years I'm a journalist in not one of the most effective structure Ghana police service work a decentralized system. decentralized system nature say na no na me nua hopes in adoye can me share the video no so that I can play it. Because there were district commanders, there were regional commanders, and some there were national officers. National no so do there were director HR, director maybe mechanic, director operations, director then director there were munyina or hon munyina boa. Usually no regional commanders ni at the same level of IGP. Munyina is COP. Oba ne bia de oswa wo mu koye DCOP. Yera Dankwa by na make us say in the years I made there as journalists no. Oh start to cry usually any district commanders no. Any regional commanders in the interaction. Yera Dankwa by you haven't seen one district commander or regional commander. If all the district commanders in performance in change. Regional commanders no money Dankwa the same rank and COP no. Not even one. And they man a chance on Kasa. And this is one of the reasons why Yeyi Dankwa na for jubilating say he became a celebrity IGP. He became an IGP on attention on all the cameras were on him. Since I hear Dankwa from Polewo to accident how many times now who say Yera Dankwa a friend saying regional commander be kasa Yera Kofi Boache be popular or Ghana nyina Kofi Boache commander 1 ni nyina ye gini and that is why usually we can predict if you who so away nebeko if you way so a bit from Yera a friend saying tema commander no a friend saying cry nya alasa ya cry. In fact one of the most effective now I mean Namfuri Peter Namfuri cry Peter Namfuri, one of the celebrated IGPs, national security coordinators of Ghana security. Peter Namfuri ono call yes no free Ghana police service into obi atam beso said obi call ya will be replacing no beba. But me the say what I have picked up from within the police service no as the reason why our police officers no were jubilating over Dankwa removal and it's our can't was some police hierarchy no police structure no or my regional commander bia nkasa or person no quiet the only person attention no one or so the only person ono na enmonyam ni nyina ba ebeba ne so and police adwuma no nkwa to me nye police adwuma no nkwa to me nye ana nkwa so to me beji attention no nti ye den obi beji attention ni bi and you have to allow it so obi susu nya a friend saying attention ni bi and that speaks volumes because regional commanders by Yera Kenyeboa DCOP Kenyeboa me minim no from Tamale. He was a regional commander at one of the toughest times in the history of police service. No, enough. Or yeah, Jumanti, you promoting from North, the neighbor Accra. Sana, yani Kudalo, Yera Kudalo, IGP Kudalo. Before obey IGP, no a regional commander whatever. A Juma Kudalo, yeah, no muchiko Kenya ade. And the piano ye press conference no and everybody saw I top one only president munyina who say no papa or ye adwuma e drew no so no de man so ho sa me ame of Kofi Boache greater regional command those days no Rollins be ye a year obeye boom 31st speech June 4th speech ye koye ye ko cover Rollins e wo art center me so ba hu memma Kofi Boache ni patrol team for yi any no omo mrantie bi wo mu mato boys bi udu one ma he brought that confidence into the police service even as regional commander Kofi Boache as regional commander ye kochi ye friend say atai Kofi Boache did it as regional commander people not tia konwa so ambeje press conference na anya say akochi atai dia ono chinchina ono beje anu monyam no. They allowed Kofi Boache, and for that matter, all the regional commanders take your shine. One hour here, Juma, one team na makoche. And to take your shine. Dankwa, name me one regional commander. What you need? One regional commander. I want to Dankwa. Mean him say perhaps ABI or more mutu no fono, and maybe your man a futu ye because a Juma then make an unkwa to me yeda do oko. I said, no, sorry. Police for no call ni omo ye no man di na chi anko asori no okoda asi o Sunday omo di na chi anko asori what is happening. And here Adam Parry, as effective as this, one of the things, Chichin Crawford, and at the beginning of starting was excellent. Everybody loved him. Changes on the other headquarters. Only a pentu or no negotiate with government. Na government taught a near mama police service. Why are there? But the welfare of your people not your paramount. And internally, you call school is your PR. They be say your audience or publics no. One of them, internal, the people you work internally and any abonting. And yes, I will defense keke, but you must also make sure say on crop for only a juma inside not to are satisfied.